This plus social networks means we are connected to everybody and we are connected to everything. And this has had more dramatic impact on society than anything else, ever. Think about this, if you're a marketer, if you're in press, if you're in anything, think of this as a slingshot. Now think about individuals as David or Danielle, and think about institutions, companies, and government as Goliath. This allows all existing order to be brought down. The first part of the third connected age is data connecting to data. So data connecting to data is a simple way of understanding artificial intelligence or augmented intelligence. It's data writing software. Number two is things connecting to things, which is quote unquote the Internet of Things. But when you think about Internet of Things, you think about small things. Don't think about small things. Think about Uber. Today, your phone, with you on your phone, fires up something like Uber. And only because you had your phone, you have a company like Uber. If you had no phone, if you had no smartphone, you had no Uber. You can't do that without that, right? So what happens is your phone connects to a car comes with a person. In the future, the car will come without a person. The third is new ways of connecting, and that is voice, AR, VR, and MR, of which voice is obviously very big. All eyes have been saturated, so now technology is going to your ears, because when you're in your car, when you're moving around, when you're in the house, it's going to be basically voice. So think about your ears as the next place where there's going to be lots of fighting going on. Think about Internet of Things, like all over the place, and then all of it with the back of it is AI.